Do me dirty, daddy.
Do me dirty, daddy.
All right. Compow, if you were a game save, you'd be the one that corrupts right before the final boss. Because no way you're making it to endgame with that spork-like personality. I'd say you're the reason we have technical difficulties, but that would mean you actually had an impact.
Damn. Boom, roasted. Holy shit, that's hilarious. Oh my god. That hit harder than I expected. He said, I'd say you're the reason for the technical difficulties, but that would mean you actually had an impact. Boom, drop mic.